I love to read. I'm a big reader, love to do it for pleasure. And before my surgery, by the end of the day, that great recreation was no longer available. Now I can read and enjoy it. The second biggest change is definitely in my driving, being able to drive in the evenings and also being able to read a street sign before I get right on top of it. My name is Suzanne and I'm a recent patient at Tyson Eye. My experience with Dr. Ifantides and his staff not only helped me personally, but it helped me as a medical professional. It was a great reminder for me of what kind of compassion and care we want to extend to each and every patient. What really led to my decision to go ahead and do cataract surgery was functionally my vision began to change. The cataracts were developing over years, but I put it off and put it off. And finally, at my last visit with my eye doctor, he confirmed that it was time and I was ready to take the step once I learned a little bit more about the process. On my first visit with Dr. Ifantides, his entire staff took a lot of time with me, and so did Dr. Ifantides himself. And really, I asked the biggest question to me, which was about the anesthesia. And he explained the type of anesthesia that would be used and how safe it was, and that made me feel a lot more confident. And I also understood that I could use a drop that was just once a day, so I felt like I would definitely keep up with everything I was asked to do in preparation and after the surgery. When it comes to the anesthesia that was administered, it really helped me feel very calm. I was awake through the whole procedure. I could hear Dr. Ifantides talk to me and I could speak back to him, but I was very much comfortable. I didn't feel anything, and when the surgery was over, I didn't remember the specifics of what he had done. The procedure itself was great. It started when I entered the surgery center. Everyone there really did a great job, very professional, very reassuring. And then the procedure was quick. It was actually quite quick, and before I knew it, I was ready to go home. Today, I feel really confident driving in nighttime. There's no more glares or halos. I can read street signs from a distance. And once again, I can really enjoy reading all day long and late into the evening without having that fatigue. The only thing I regret is that I didn't do it sooner. I think I would have benefited from it years ago, but just not having a full knowledge kept me hesitant from doing it. But once I received the right knowledge that I needed, it was great to move ahead, and I just wish I had done it a little bit earlier. I had a great experience with the team at Tyson Eye. Dr. Ifantides was very, very capable, but also very compassionate. He and his assistants treated me like I was their family. They took all the time that I needed in answering my questions and explaining the procedure so that I'd be fully confident on the days of the surgeries. It's like the light has come on behind my eyes. When I look outside, I can see leaves on trees much more clearly. I can see the sunset at the beach. I can see the face of my husband, my children, and my beloved grandchildren. So I'm just very grateful. It's been a great experience.